Resetting your Windows password can be essential if you've forgotten it or need to update it for security reasons. Here's a step-by-step video to help you through the process. Using a Microsoft account. Go to the Sign In screen. On your Windows device, attempt to sign in as usual. Select I forgot my password. Below the password field, click this option. You will be redirected to the Account Recovery page. Verify your identity. Enter the Microsoft account associated with your Windows login. You'll need to verify your identity using a security code sent to your email or phone. Reset the password. Once verified, you can create a new password. Confirm the new password and sign in. Using a local account, sign in using another account. If you have another administrative account on your computer, log in with that account. Open the Control Panel. Navigate to the Control Panel and select User Accounts. Manage another account. Click on this option. Select the account you want to change and click Change the password. Enter a new password. Type in the new password and confirm it. Using Safe Mode Restart in Safe Mode, restart your computer and press F8 before Windows starts. Select Safe Mode with Command Prompt. Use Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type NetUser, username, new password, replacing username with your account name, and new password with the new password you wish to set. Restart. Normally, after changing the password, restart your computer normally and log in with the new password. Password reset disk. Insert the disk. If you have created a password reset disk, insert it into your computer. Reset password. On the login screen, click Reset Password and follow the wizard using the reset disk to create a new password. It's crucial to use a strong, memorable password to secure your Windows account. If these methods don't work, contacting Microsoft support or a professional technician might be necessary. Regularly updating and safely storing your passwords can help avoid future issues.